conditioning ang ating pag-uusapan. Di ba, partner? Hindi nga lang body conditioning.
Ano nga yung body
Sa hair
conditioner?
kasi di ba kailangan ng conditioner? So, kailangan din ng conditioner ang body.
Tinatanong mo kanina yan.
At ipapakita sa atin kung paano gawin ito ni Mr. Perry Malyari, isang conditioning coach, martial artist, and author. Good morning, Perry.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Wow. All right. First question, what is love?
Ay, tapos na. Partner, tapos na pala.
Tapos na ba?
Ay, tapos na tayo doon.
Ano pa din?
Next
Kasi parang sarap pag-usapan talaga. Nagmahal ka na ba ng tunay?
Syempre.
So, love is a decision or
a feeling.
It's a decision.
Ay, tapos na, partner. Tapos na.
talaga. Okay. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon, yung body conditioning. Ano ba yung body conditioning na
Alright.
sinasabi natin?
I'm going to present one method of exercise which is called bodyweight calisthenics. Bodyweight calisthenics are exercises that use the practitioner's body weight, meaning yung timbang ng katawan natin, as resistance. Okay, first of all, let's define yung resistance training. Resistance training is training your muscles to work against a force. Let's say when we're using free weights, yung resistance nanggagaling sa bigat ng barbell and dumbbell.
Okay.
Okay? In bodyweight calisthenics, ang ginagamit nating resistance, yung bigat natin mismo. So we don't need any equipment. So you don't have any excuse not to train because all you need is your body weight and some floor space.
Okay, is it as effective pag
Y-
gumamit tayo ng weights? And then, ano naman ang benefits ng bodyweight calisthenics?
Yes, bodyweight calisthenics is a very effective method of strength training. In fact, it's been around for quite a long time. Historically, ang unang gumamit nito yung Spartans ni King Leonidas, the one featured in the movie 300. It was
Really?
mentioned in the Chronicles of Herodotus, 480 BC. So, early on, it's always associated with fighters. So, nung na-invento yung mga exercise gadgets like barbells and dumbbells, nag-decline yung popularity ng bodyweight calisthenics, but it was preserved among martial artists, boxers, wrestlers, in prisons because prisoners don't have access to exercise equipment. Very, very effective training method ito for them. And the military. If you notice, push-up is the most popular form of bodyweight calisthenics. And it's a staple exercise of nearly all military organizations in the world.
Okay, aside from push-up, ano pa?
Push-ups, bodyweight.
Sit-ups, ganun din?
Yes, sit-ups can be classified as a bodyweight calisthenics, but I'm not a big fan of sit-ups. Discuss ko na lang later.
Planking po.
Planking is also bodyweight calisthenic. Bridging, it's good because the movements are natural. For example, the movements of the push-up, we use it to get up from the floor. The squat, we've been using it since we were toddlers to pick up heavy things. So very, very natural yung movement, and the progression is very good because you can make the exercise very easy and you can make the exercise very difficult. Let's take the push-up, for example. Let's say mahina pa yung tao, hindi niya kaya yung regular push-up. He can do it against the wall. So that's the easiest form of sit-up. Push-up. In push-up, when you elevate the upper body, you make the exercise easier. So first, you do it against the wall, and then the table, and then eventually on the floor. But when you elevate the lower body, meaning the legs, you make it more difficult. So the hardest form of push-up is handstand push-up. You do it against the wall, and you push your body up and down.
Okay, since we have
I think
this...
it's better if
Di na nga, kaya kami
niya.
matay dito. Baka pa pwede ka mag-demo ng konting...
Gusto mo si partner mag-demo.
Okay, as a starter, for people na wala pang background sa bodyweight calisthenics, I'll be recommending 3 basic exercises: the basic push-up, the squat, and the bridge.
Okay.
The push-up will take care of your upper body, will provide you upper body strength.
Pwede i-demo mo yun mamaya.
Yep.
Okay.
And the squat will work out the lower body,
And
the
the
legs
buttocks?
and the buttocks, which is the biggest musculature in the body. And the bridge will work out the spinal erector, very, very neglected muscle. The 2 muscles on the
likod.
side of your spine.
Okay.
It supports the spine. Okay, so
Okay.
Kindly.
okay.
So, may dyaryo din? nagagawin?
Pwede magbasa ng diary habang nag-ano?
Akala ko naman medyo...
I'll make a shameless plug later on.
Okay.
Okay, for the push-up, for bodyweight calisthenics, you have to consider three things. First is the form.
The form. Right form.
Yeah, correct form.
Breathing.
And then the next point is the cadence or the rhythm. The rhythm of the exercise. When you introduce pauses, it makes the exercise more difficult. And the third is breathing.
Breathing.
Okay? You breathe in when you go down, and you breathe out when you go up. So during flexion, you breathe in. During extension, you breathe out.
Breathe out. Okay.
Okay? The push-up is very underutilized exercise. A lot of people are doing it, but incorrectly. My point is, don't do exercise mindlessly. Exercise body awareness. Okay? Always begin on all fours.
Always ano po?
Begin on all fours, body ito. Pag
Okay.
ganito ka. Check the alignment of the arms, shoulder width apart. And then, you extend the legs.
Okay.
Kailangan one straight line yung upper and lower body. Pag mahina pa yung katawan ng gumagawa ng push-up, either bumabagsak yung balakang
Yeah.
or nakausli yung puwet. So, it must be a straight line. And the cadence is 2 seconds going down, 1 second at the bottom, 2 seconds going up. So, it's 1, 2, 1,
2.
1, 2. That's one repetition.
Okay.
Proper
Importante
depth.
po yung right form, di ba?
Yeah, proper depth, 1 fist length from the floor sa sternum mo. So that's the proper depth.
Ilang reps po yan?
Initially, work out on 10 repetition and then per set.
Okay.
And then
Kasi
add the
upper
number of
body
sets.
to.
Fairly, di ba, ang push-up kasi may push-up for men and meron din push-up for women.
Women.
Yeah.
Sa women yata parang nakababa yung...
Pwedeng
Okay.
naka-bending
I'll demonstrate it.
legs.
Pag hindi pa kaya sa floor, as I've said a while ago, you can do it against the
Sa
wall.
wall.
And then against the table. Then finally, you can do what you call the knee sit-up. You move back a little bit.
Okay.
And then just cross your leg. Then you just do the push-up.
Ito yung
It's
pang-female.
easier.
Pwede rin to pang-female eh.
Yeah, this for the female version.
We have to tell our audience na very important yung form or else useless yung workout. And then
Yep.
yung right breathing, importante din yun. Don't hold your breath kasi baka
Okay.
mahilo kayo.
Okay, variations to make the exercise difficult. When we're using free weights, nagdadagdag tayo ng plate sa dumbbell, di ba?
Apo.
Sa bodyweight calisthenics, we reduce the number of foundations, or we alter the distance between the hands and the feet to make the exercise more difficult.
Ah, you can do that.
Okay, so
So,
this
pag
one
closer po
variation. So
Pag closer
if I
yung
raise the one leg, is
Mas-
what you call a Spider-Man push-up.
mas mahirap po yan.
Ang hirap niyan.
Mas mahirap
Mas
na.
difficult po yan.
Yep. And if you bring the hands closer together,
Mas mahirap din po.
Mahirap din.
in the case of diamond push-up,
Or heart, no?
more difficult.
Mahirap. Diamond dyan eh, may heart.
May heart po.
Okay. And
Hirap na mag-push-up ka na.
can I move
Oh,
back?
sure po.
Or you can do it one arm.
Na wide legs,
Oh
open legs po.
Mahirap yan.
Oo,
Baka
para
hindi ko...
sa upper body to.
Oo, kaya mo yan, partner?
Hindi.
Parang babagsak ako pag
So
Ako
by
din.
altering the number of foundation, you make the exercise more difficult.
Okay.
Buti
Okay.
na lang nakadress tayo.
Oo.
Kung nakapansin, gagawin ko yan. Buti na lang, try ko lang.
Next is
Okay.
the squat.
Para po sa bata. O sige, inom po na kayo.
Akala ko.
Hirap po,
Sorry,
no? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang hirap
Bilis
eh.
matuloy yung
Okay. Kasama pala yun.
Okay, squat.
Pag-uhaw lang.
The squat is a very natural, fundamental human movement. Mapapansin nyo, since we were toddlers, we're using it to pick up heavy things. When a toddler pick up a heavy thing, do this. Okay? Correct motion. Simply because we're putting the heavy weight sa legs tsaka sa buttocks, which is the largest musculature in the body. Ang problema, pag tumanda tayo, nakakalimutan na natin. So we pick up heavy things like this.
Mali yan.
Injure
di ba?
ang spine.
Yeah.
Mai-injure ang spine.
So movement of the squat, very basic. Okay. Feet shoulder width apart. Medyo naka-outward yung feet. Arms forward for counterbalance. Then just sit down. Okay, that's 1 repetition. Just imagine there's a very low stool behind you.
Para ka lang
Yep.
CR.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Imagination mo, CR. Okay.
Okay. That's the second exercise. The third exercise is the hop bridge. Okay.
Is it as effective kahit wala kang weights?
Yeah.
Para po kayo
Para
Sorry.
po kayo sa camera.
All right. Now the hop bridge.
oops.
Just lie down, bend the legs, and then just slip the hips.
Para saan po yan? Sa spine? Yung muscle
The
sa
spinal
likod?
erector, the glutes, and the legs.
Oh.
Okay?
Madali yan. Ganyan. Hindi, kaya ko yan. Pero yung kaninang one hand, na-push siya, parang hindi ko kaya
Right.
yun.
Kaya po yung partner. Alam ko.
That's it.
Mamaya gagawin ko yan sa bahay. Tingnan ko.
Alam ko
Sana.
kaya mo yan.
Wow,
Okay.
thank you so much, Mr. Perry.
Upo po kayo.
Alright.
Tubig po.
Tubig ulit, tsaka dyaryo. Habang uminom ka, nagbabasa ka ng dyaryo para ma-relax ka naman.
Sige, hinga muna po kayo.
Okay.
Na-tense ako.
Na-tense ka pa noon, hindi ka na 11s o na 12s?
Tense lang.
Okay, para sa mga viewers natin na gusto kong ma-contact, saan kanila po pwedeng
Okay, I
malaman
have
ng-
a Facebook page for Bodyweight Calisthenics. Just Google Malayang Anyo, and then you'll get there.
Google, ano?
Malayang Anyo.
Malayang Anyo.
Malayang anyo. It's a Tagalog word.
Yep,
Malayang
it's a Tagalog
anyo.
word.
Malayang.
Free form.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Okay, can I
Mr.
make a
Perry.
shameless plug?
Okay,
Ayun,
make your
sure.
shameless
Ayun,
plug.
kaya pala may dyaryo ka.
Okay. I'm the sports editor of the Manila Times. So please buy the Manila Times. And we're the only national broadsheet with a weekly
Oh, that's
section devoted to martial arts and combat sports. Every Sunday. So,
That's our producer right there.
Dapat maging guest natin to, itong babaeng na
Oo
nandito
nga
eh. Kailangan mag-guest yan eh.
Dapat mag-guest yan. Hindi nag-guest dito eh.
so 5 times every Sunday, the Manila Times.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you. Thank you once again, Mr.
Alright.
Perry.
Thank you. We learned so much. Okay, wag po kayong aalis at susunod na ang discovery ng RNS Search for Talent sa pagbabalik po yan ng Rise and